This device creates a 3D illusion for the viewer and makes an image or video appear as if it were in midair. It works on the principle of Pepper's ghost illusion. Four symmetrically opposite variations of the same image are projected onto the four faces of the pyramid. By principle, each side projects the image falling on it to the center of the pyramid. These projections work in unison to form a whole figure which creates a 3D illusion. Now I would like you to enjoy the show.